Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, black color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. B. B for ball, B for bat, and again use red color. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car, and again use red color. Kids now draw D. D for dog, D for doll, the alphabets of D, and use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, the alphabets of E. Kids again use yellow color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan, the alphabets of F. Kids now draw G. G for goat, G for grapes, and use blue color. The alphabets of G. H. H for hen, H for helicopter. Kids again use blue color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids now draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use green color. The alphabets of J. Kids again use green color and draw K. K for kite, K for king. Kids now draw L. L for lion, L for lemon, and again use green color. Kids now draw M. M for moon, M for mango, and use black color. Kids again use black color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus, and again use black color. Kids now draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin, and use yellow ochre color. The alphabets of P. Kids now draw Q. Q for queen, Q for quail. And again use yellow ochre color. It's night R. R for rose. R for rice. And use red color. Red color. The alphabets of R. S. S for sun. S for snake. T. T for teacher. T for tiger. And again use red color. It's neither U. U for umbrella. U for uncle. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw V. V for van. V for violin. Kids again use yellow color and draw W. W for wolf. W for watch. It's nitro X. X for X-ray. X for Xmas tree. And use red color. Red color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw Y. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. Kids now Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. And again use blue color. Kids now draw numbers. And first I draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use green color. Green color. O N E 1. Kids again use green color and draw 2. T W O 2. Kids now 3. The numbers of 3. T H R W 3. Kids again use green color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. F O U R 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5. And use black color. Black color. F I V E 5. 6. The numbers of 6. S I X 6. Kids again use black color and draw 7. S E V E and 7. Kids again use black color and draw 8. The numbers of 8. E I G H T 8. Kids now draw 9. The numbers of 9. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. N I N E 9. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 10. The numbers of 10. T E and 10. Kids today draw A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Numbers 1 2 3 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.